working on a little side project for my wife. Updating her kitchen. We basically had ripped out everything that was in here previously, and so I had built in some cabinets using 2x4s and some plywood, and so I needed to still put doors on. Finally today we got around to actually putting in the countertop. Rather than getting a regular countertop, of a composite or laminate or whatever, those are going to run a good $1,200 plus for even the cheapest. So we saw this butcher block that was on at the Home Depot, and for the 98-inch lengths for 25-inch wide, it's an inch and a half thick. We got those for, what was that, $3.99 or $2.99? Yeah, it's $2.99 a board. So we got 2 of those, and I just had to trim the one board just 8 inches. The other one fit perfect. I didn't have to do any trimming on it at all. So I just had to cut out for the sink. And so I finally got that installed, and it meshed up pretty good. All I have to do now is put a little bit of edge trim on. Still have to do the backsplash, so we got to pick that out and figure out what we want to put back there. But next thing I have to do is just then build the doors for the front, so we can get rid of these curtains. And I'm just going to build those out of scrap wood I have, either 2x4s or some different miscellaneous pine. Then we're going to paint those white so it matches the rest of the cabinet. And anyway, yeah, it's a great low cost solution for countertops, is using that butcher block. And look at the Home Depot or Lowe's, and they've got it it's pretty affordable. And my wife's very happy with it. So I just have to treat the board with mineral oil, food grade mineral oil. To apply a couple coats initially, and then every time it feels dry or starts to look dry, then you just reapply a coat. It's really easy to put on. You just wipe it on generously, and then you wipe off any excess, and you're good to go.